Good morning, children. Student, today I will explain you about the project topic of your class 12 business study, which you are going to make for your term first. Right now, this is the curriculum of 2021-22 business study. This was already posted to all of you. Here you can see that you have 80 marks of theory and 20 marks of project work. Now, basically we make one project only, but because all the project 4 topics are not covered till we have the 4 topics for this 4 unit of project this time, where we have to cover only one topic, one project topic, and inside that project topic we have to select only one element, sub element of that, right? So this is clear for you that you will be having 20 marks for your project. Out of that, the 8 marks will be for your viva and the 12 remaining marks will be for your project, its content, the manner you present it, the information which was gathered inside the project, and your initiative, and so many other things. Let's discuss about the different project topic according to this say, right? So you can see here, now this was for the guideline of class 12 projects. So you have basically 4 project here, 4 title for the project here, and your first project is element of business environment. Now element of business environment is linked with your chapter number 3, that is business environment, which we have already covered, right? Inside this topic of inside this project you will get 2 sub element. So if a child has selected project 1, that is element of business environment, it means he or she will have 2 option of selections, right? So that 2 option will be what? The first option will be there, the changes witnessed over the last few years in mode of packaging and its economic impact, and the second options will be the change role of women in past 25 years relating to joint families, nuclear families, women as a bread earner of family. So that you will be selecting any one element from this project, whether you can go through with the changes which was occurring in our economy due to the changes of the mode of packaging, right? So that changes can be written here, and plus what you need to mention is that what was the economic impact of that changes into our country. Now when we are talking about the impact of economic, it means we are talking about economic dimension. I have already explained you very clearly this in chapter number 3, right? So you should not have issues here regarding this. So what you need to do basically here, so if you select project 1, element of business environment, either you can go through with the title of changes witnessed over the last year on the mode of packaging and its economic impact, means economic dimension we are talking about, or you can go through with the second one, that was changing role of women in past 25 years relating to joint families, nuclear families, women as bread earner of the family. Women as bread earner of the family basically means the women those who are working outside, right? Now what are the changes if a woman came out, what are the changes occurred in the society related to the requirement, like mixture, washing machines, microwave, and standard of living, everything get changed. So क्या इसका impact पड़ता है, so that need to be explained into the second project. Now what are the different sub element you will be including? अभी आपका एक project हो गया, project के topic हो गया, the second is the element of that, and then third is the different sub element which you are going to include it here, that you can select from anyone here, as I have explained you in the videos of today in your Zoom class. Now this was your project 1, which belong to your chapter number 3. The second is project 2. When we say about project 2, it was your principle of management, very easy chapter, right? And that is your chapter number 2. We have already discussed this chapter also, so that's why I have given choice of this also to you, right? In project 2 principle of management, you will be having 2 element of this. The first will be the fuel principle of management, and the second will be the scientific management technique. And everybody know कि scientific management technique किसने दी थी? F.W. Taylor ने दी थी, right? और administrative theory किसने दी थी? That was given by Henry Fayol. So if you select project 2, that is principle of management, you will have two choices here for the elements. The first will be either you go through with Fayol principle of management, which was 14. In this picture you can see it is only 13 is given there. There was 14 principle of Fayol which was given over there. So that is already explained to you. And or you have a choice of selecting the Taylor techniques of scientific management, which we use into entrepreneurship, right? So that is also explained to you. Now you have to select any one of these two elements. अगर आपने project 2 principle of management बनाना है, if you have selected this topic project 2, so from project 2 either you will go through with the Fayol principle or you will make it on scientific management Taylor given by F.W. Taylor. Now what you need to do, there is a change here, because earlier last to last year when we make the project, we have a field survey for this, right? We need to go outside, we have to go for a visit, because you cannot put how the principle which was given by Fayol or scientific technique which was given by Taylor are utilized into industry. For that you need to go for a visit. Now this say you will not go anywhere, neither you, like according to the CBSE instructions, you need to go for a visit for departmental stores, industrial unit. This was earlier instruction, right, for making these project of principle of management. But now you don't need to go for any departmental store, not any industrial unit, not for any fast food outlet, or no any organization. What you will be doing is that you can take example of any industry, any organizations, whoever you feel more comfortable, where you feel the data is more available in internet, right? And you will take that as a center point, that industry, and then you will be using these principle of management, you will be then checking that how the principle of management of fuels are used in that organizations. Like I can just take example of Wipro. अगर मैं सिर्फ Wipro के example, everybody know about Wipro, right? If I took a example of Wipro, so if I have to make a project on Wipro on fuel principle of management, I will not go for Wipro to search the revenues, the way they have started it, what was the status of their contributions, and shares and others thing, and then plus the kind of principles they are using in their organizations, whether these are belonging to Fayol or Taylor, and then considering that which principle of Fayol is utilized there and which is not utilized, and if they are using the principle of Fayol, what benefit they are getting, if they are not using, what are the drawbacks which the organization can face or are facing, right? So आप इसको क्या करेंगे, we will be searching all these details in newspaper, either in newspaper you can do, or mostly you can get all these details from internet. So you will take any industry, any organization, any enterprise, or any departmental store you can take, where you will be making project on principle of management of fuel, and you can make project on scientific technique. So no child will go for anywhere for the visit for collecting the data. All these data collection will be done only in internet only. Now how or what way we will be making here. Suppose I have taken an example of Wipro, or I have told you that you have to make a project of fuel principle of management in Wipro. So what you will be searching, first you will be giving the introductions about your project. Then what you need to do basically, that the 14 principle of fuel which was given by him are like division of work. Is the division of work principle is utilized into Wipro? If yes, how? And if they are using this principle, then what was the sense of using that principle, what advantage they are getting? Or if the division of work principle is not utilized into Wipro, what kind of drawbacks are going to be faced by the industry? So in this manner, first you will be explaining each and every principle separately according to your book only, and then later on you will be implementing whether these principles are used in that organization which you have selected for your project. So that is all about project 2, that is principle of management, or the same thing will be there for scientific management technique of F.W. Taylor also. but there will be no need for any visit. This I am taking again, as telling again and again, that no child will go outside for the purpose of any collection of data. I don't want to listen any complaints that you have gone anyway for collecting the data. Now next, how you will be making these projects. Now a complete freedom is to you, that you select any topic from these project title, right? आपके पास में 2 यूनिट हैं. आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू द थर्ड यूनिट प्रोजेक्ट वॉज योर stock exchange. I'm not giving you, this is very important topic, but I'm not giving you because we have not covered stock exchange chapter, so it is useless for you. And the fourth was your marketing. Again, this is very important chapter, but it's not cover, so we will be not going through with project 4 and project 3. We will be only covering project 1 and project 2. So again, revise instructions, element of business environment, project 1. Hey, 2 sub element you have options, either the changes one witnessed over the last few years on mode, that is the first one, or the second one is the changing role of women in past 25 years. इनके sub elements I have already explained you. And the second project you have the principle of management, where you have 2 sub element of this. The first is the fuel principle of management, applicability in any organization industries, and the second is in, or you can go through with scientific management technique given by F.W. Taylor in any organizations. Now when you will be making these project, children, there are certain instructions for you that BST projects, when we make, there is the number of pages which should contain in your projects are between 25 to 30. आपके pages projects में it should not belong less than 25 and it should not go more than 30 pages, right? So the number of pages should be between 25 to 30, and it will be very important for you to write down that project in handwritten manner. You will be not giving any other child to write down that project. It has to be present in a neat folder. The beginning of the project will start with the cover page, where you will be writing the project title, the sub element of the project, then all the information regarding your name, class, sections, and the school name and the session of the school. Then in the next page you will go through with a list of content which you are going to cover inside this page project, and then acknowledgement, where you will be acknowledging your institutions, and it's written visited the place, but you that this time, as I've told you will not visit anywhere, so it will be only acknowledgement to your institutions and your teacher. Now next is introduction here, and after that the topic with suitable heading, right? And then what you have planning and activities done during the project, and then your observation and finding of the visit, and then the conclusion, the photographs if any are there, that can be pasted with the topic wise or with principle wise only, or it can be done at the last stage as we did earlier also in class 11. And then last is your appendix, that can also be called as bibliography, that from where you have searched the informations which is written in your project. And your last page will be your teacher's observation, which you will just put the heading and leave that page. That observation will be written by your external or internal, and signature of the teacher. This is what you need to be mentioned in your project. Now let's see the allocation of marks of your project also. The 2 marks will be for your initiative, your cooperativeness and participations. The 2 marks will be for your creativity in your presentations. How creatively, it means कितनी creativity के साथ में अपने topics को आपने present किया है, the content को आपने present किया है. The observation, your research, that is 4 marks, and analysis of the situation is going to be your 4 marks. Viva will be done later on. So this is all about the 12 mark distribution of your project, which you need to make within the summer vacations only, and we will be telling you when you need to submit it. So children, again you only have 2 units this time for the project, not 4, right? The first was related with your business environment element, and the second was related with your principle of management. In business environment element, go through with any one of sub element, and from principle of management also you have 2. From there you can select any one of that sub element. Either it can be fuel principle of management 14, take an example of any industry and then see how these principles are utilized there. And the second is the scientific technique of Taylor. Again, here you need to take an example, or you need to take an industry or organization, say, to check that how these techniques are used and what are the advantage of these techniques if we are using into the organization. That is all about your project. In case you have doubt, you can put your message into groups. Thank you.